Hello everyone, welcome back to Prime Classes, turning concepts into clarity. In today's class, we're going to solve exercise 4.3. In the last class, we studied about the concept of Sridharacharya formula or the quadratic formula, and also the nature of roots. Okay, in this video, we are going to solve the exercise 4.3. And this exercise 4.3 will be done in two parts. In the first part, that is in today's video, we are going to do question number 1, in which there are 3 other sub questions, and question number 2, in which there are 2 sub questions. Okay, so let's start. Before that, let's do a recap. Quadratic formula, if anyone remembers, what is the quadratic formula? X can be given as minus b plus minus root d by 2a, and this d is known as the discriminant. This d is known as discriminant, which is given as b square minus 4ac. Discriminant इसका नाम इसीलिए because it decides what will be the nature of roots. Okay, d का वैल्यू अगर पॉजिटिव आता है तो रूट्स रियल होंगे और डिस्टिंक्ट होंगे. अगर d का वैल्यू 0 आता है रियल होंगे बट इक्वल होंगे, और d का वैल्यू अगर नेगेटिव आता है तो ये इमेजिनरी, दैट मीन्स कि नॉट रियल होंगे. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. Now start with exercise question. So the first question we have, find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. So first of all I have to find the nature of roots, and अगर वो real है तो मुझे find करना है. real है that means कि d का वैल्यू 0 है या फिर 0 से बड़ा है, तो हम लोग को roots find out करना है. और अगर d का वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, obviously the roots will be not real. So उस केस में हम लोग find नहीं कर सकते roots का वैल्यू. So let me first write a, b and c's value. A is 2, b is minus 3, and c is 5. So d can be calculated as b square minus 4ac minus 3 ka square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So 3 ka minus 3 into minus 3, that will be 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So this is not real because it is less than 0, or we can write, since d is less than 0, the roots are not real. Okay, so इसमें find करने का कोई need है नहीं. Now the second question is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the value of a, b and c? a का value है 3, b का value है minus 4 root 3 and c का value है 4. So if I want to calculate d, that will be b square minus 4ac. So b square, that is minus 4 root 3 का square minus 4 into a का value 3. Wait a minute. Let me write the value of c here. What is the value of c? c का value 4 है. c का value 4. So 4 into a into c 4. So minus 4 into minus 4, 16 and root 3 into root 3, it will be 16 into 3. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, and 16 into 3, that will be, this is also 48, so it will be 0. So as d is 0, roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Okay, so in this case I have to find the value of the roots. That can be found as x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So what is the value of minus b? Minus, और b का वैल्यू क्या है? minus 4 root 3, minus 4 root 3 plus minus root d का वैल्यू 0 है, so obviously इससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं, and yes, divided by 2 into 3. क्योंकि इससे कुछ फर्क पड़ नहीं रहा है, I can remove this part or write as minus minus plus. So 4 root 3 divided by 2 3s are 6. Okay, and 4 root 3 divided by 6. इसको simplify करें, it will be 2 3 2 3. So the roots will be 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. दोनों सेम ही है. Why? Because d का वैल्यू 0 आ गया. So that's it. Now the next question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of a is 2, b is minus 6 and c is 3. अगर d का वैल्यू फाइंड करें, I'll get b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b here? Minus 6 का square minus 4 into a into c. So 6 6 are 36 minus 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. It will be 36 minus 24. It will be 12. Yes. Now d का वैल्यू 0 से बड़ा है, दैट मीन्स पॉजिटिव है. सो रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स कि दोनों अलग अलग हैं. लेट मी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ रूट्स, क्योंकि इसमें रियल है, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट डी बाई 2a. माइनस बी, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ बी? माइनस 6. सो माइनस एंड माइनस एस, ये माइनस इसका है और ये जो माइनस है ये बी का वैल्यू जो यहाँ पे माइनस है वो है. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल विद दिस. प्लस माइनस रूट डी, डी का वैल्यू है 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 2. ओके, सो इट इज 6 प्लस माइनस 12. 12 को अगर हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करें और 2 6 आर 2 3 आर. ओके, सो इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 रूट 3, 2 इंटू 3, और क्योंकि 2 बाहर निकल जाएगा 2 रूट 3. सो 12 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 रूट 3. 12 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 रूट 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 2 4. ओके, सो 6 प्लस 2 रूट 3 by 4 and 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. These two are the roots of the quadratic equation. अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखना चाहें हम, I can take 2 as common. 3 plus root 3 divided by 4 and 3 minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Cancel out कर सकते हैं. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the remaining part will be 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these two are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now come to the next question. This is different type of question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Equal roots तभी होता है जब d का वैल्यू 0 होता है. सो इनडायरेक्टली हमें बोला गया है कि d का वैल्यू अगर 0 लेके हम लोग कैलकुलेट करें तो उसमें k का वैल्यू क्या आएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज k? k इज बेसिकली कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x, जिसको हम लोग b कंसीडर करते हैं. सो अगर इसमें a का वैल्यू लिखना चाहें दैट इज 2, b का वैल्यू लिखना चाहें कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x, दिस इज k. ओके, एंड c का वैल्यू 3. नाउ क्योंकि d का वैल्यू हमें 0 फाइंड करना है, व्हाट इज द d? d इज गिवन एज b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac और d स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. This is 0. So b square, that is k square minus 4ac. 4 into a का वैल्यू है 2, c का वैल्यू है 3, is equal to 0. And k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Minus 24 is equal to 0. और k square will be equal to 24 और k का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? स्क्वायर रूट 24. 24 का अगर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करें, I can do it as 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, so it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, और वो भी एक पेयर बाहर निकलेगा, बाकी अंदर ही रहेगा. सो इट विल बी 2 रूट 6. ओके, सो k का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 2 रूट 6. दैट्स इट. फाइंड the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. Again equal roots, that means d का वैल्यू 0 करना है. So a का, oh before that we have to simplify this little bit, क्योंकि ये quadratic equation के फॉर्म में है नहीं. So what I'm going to do, simplify it. kx into x, it will be kx square minus kx into 2, so minus 2 kx. k is a constant. Okay, so just remember this, and x is the variable, and plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I have to write a, which is k, b, which is minus 2k, c, which is 6. Okay, now d अगर 0 है तो b square minus 4ac, it will be 0. What is b square? Minus 2k square minus 4 into a, what is a? K, and what is c? 6. Okay, minus 2 k का square minus 2 into 2 4, and this is 4 k square minus 4 6 are 24. k will be equal to 0. Now here I can take 4 as common, so the equation will be 4 अगर कॉमन ले लें k square minus 6k will be 0. Okay, and अगर 4 को वहाँ पे ले जाएं so equation will become k square minus 6k will be 0. Now this is a quadratic equation that we are getting, so k square minus 6k is equal to 0. K square minus 6k will be equal to 0, where the value of a is 1, b is minus 6 and c is 0. Here I have to find the value of x. अब x यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू जो फाइंड कर रहे हैं वो बेसिकली k का वैल्यू फाइंड होगा. ओके, the roots of the value of the k. Okay, so let's write k minus b plus minus root d by 2a. d, अब इसका अगर d फाइंड करें वो क्या निकलेगा, d will be minus b square minus 4ac b square, that is 36 minus 4 into 1 into c 0 है तो बेसिकली ये 36 ही आएगा. ओके, सो माइनस b माइनस माइनस 6 प्लस माइनस रूट d, d का वैल्यू आएगा 36 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 into a 2 into 1, so 6 plus minus 6 plus minus 6 by 2, so it will be 6 plus 6 by 2 and 6 minus 6 by 2. So 6 plus 6 by 2 अगर करें 12 by 2, that will be, what happened, that will be 6, and in this case 0 by 2 it will be 0. So k का दो पॉसिबल वैल्यू निकल के आ रहा है, k का 6, k का 0. So these are the value of k which may replace the value here. So k का वैल्यू अगर 0 रखे हम लोग, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनेगा नहीं. So we cannot place k as 0. So I have to disqualify this value and take this value. Okay, now that's it for today. The rest of the questions we are going to solve it in the next class. Okay, in this class we solved only 2 questions. In question number 1 there are 3 sub questions, and in question number 2 there are 2 sub questions. In the upcoming in next class we are going to solve some word problems related to quadratic equations. Okay, so in the next class the rest of the exercise 4.3. So that's it for today. For more videos like this, subscribe to Prime Classes and press the bell icon to stay updated.